2, 3, funky.
We are here in Ocean Park.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. For now, we will be watching the Cyber Illusion Spectacular Show here in Ocean Park.
大家唔好意思啊，我哋都俾人襲擊㗎，大家唔使擔心嘅。
Ada. Hey!
Okay, let's go!
We will be riding that roller coaster later. Kaso bawal mag-film. I mean, bawal mag-GoPro. So, hi guys, we are here in the Eagle Flight ride ata. And then I think this vlog will be short because bawal mag GoPro sa ride. So di ko alam kung anong film ko ngayon, pero I'll try my best to film. And we're going up! Oh my god, ang bilis! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait lang! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god, guys! Just finished riding this roller coaster, guys. Super sarap siya, as in must to kapag nagpunta kayong Ocean Park dito sa Hong Kong. Hi guys, we will be riding that, yeah. umiikot siya, para yun siya yung sa Korea, yung double rock spin ba yun, ganon. So, wish me luck. Hi guys, it's already 5 o'clock and we are still here in Ocean Park. And guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung last na sinakyan ko. Wait lang. Guys, yan yung last na nasakyan ko. Tapos, ayan din yung pinaka-best kasi super sarap niya. Hi guys, pauwi na kami and it's already 7 o'clock and hanggang 7 lang tong Ocean Park. Yeah. And this ends the vlog. I think this will be the last Hong Kong vlog. I hope you enjoy the 4 vlogs that I made. Thank you again guys for watching this video and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and then like it, comment down below if you have some suggestions and that's all. Thank you.
歡迎大家嚟到夢幻水道一。
马岛交谈，万物一体，比万无一二。
Kami po ay kasalukuyang naliligaw kasi hindi namin alam kung paano bumalik sa hotel from Ocean Park guys. Layo na ng nilakad namin guys. Pero okay lang. Guys, finally we saw the MTR station. Joke lang pala yun guys kasi close pa daw yung MTR doon. So we're gonna take the bus. So another lakad na naman. Ang saya maglakad guys, super.